Hi all, Dirk from Real Like Oz. We've got a 9520 John Deere. Customer complaint saying there's a noise coming from the engine bay and it sounds like a misfire or a bit of smoke coming from the exhaust. If you just look above me in the video, did a bit of investigation, and on the investigation I found, checked all the oil levels, fluid levels as normal, coolant level, everything is in order. Started it up, and as I started it up I could hear the noise and I could see the smoke. The noise was definitely not coming from the bottom end, from the crank, but it's more coming from the top end. Further investigation, the noise was coming from the turbo, so I opened up the turbo valve. You can see all the oil leaking past here, clear indication of a turbo failure or something inside. If you look on the inside there, yep, if you look there, that one is gone. So the turbo impeller is shaft broken off. Yeah, I'm gonna open up the intake side now and have a look, but definitely turbo replacement is due here. Cheers.